Hi, let's have a look at how we can use NZGrapher for our level 1 multivariate assessments. So let's jump across to our internet, and I've got NZGrapher already loaded up here. And I'm going to do a demo using the Kiwi dataset. So the first thing we do is we've got all of our data here, and we can see each column is there. We need to choose one numeric variable and one categorical variable. So I'm going to choose my gender, which has got males and females, and I'm going to look at the weights. So I'm just choosing these two columns there, the gender and the weights, as one numeric and one categorical. And now I'm going to say, right, in fact, if you don't know, go to this pairs plot, and anytime you see graphs with these dot plots or box and whisker graphs, that's the ones that you want to choose. So I'm just going to click on that one. So this takes me to my weight versus my gender, and this is what I've done there, is I can do a dot plot there, and there's my weight is variable 1 and my categorical is the gender. I then want the summary statistics, and I want the high box plot. Now I need to go in and take a sample, so we need to take a sample of 40 from each group. So I'm going to click on the sample and more, and the first option there is to say sample. So I'm going to choose that, and now my categorical variable here is gender. So when I say sample width, I'm going to choose gender. So whichever your categorical, this will be the same. Now the number in brackets here tells me how many data values there are for each group, and I want between 20 and 40 in each group. So I'm going to choose 40 females and 40 males, and I'm going to click on sample. And that's gone and taken me a sample here. Now you'll notice the graph looks quite flat because the point sizes are quite small and my sample size is quite small. But if I can change the point size here, that's going to make it larger, and that's going to make it easier for me to see the shape. So now I can see that shape is more of a normal distribution for this group, and this one here, maybe that's a bit more skewed. So those are a couple of things that I want to do. I can then give it a title and say Kiwi investigation, and I can say update that graph. And all I need to do now is right click over the graph, copy that image, and then I can go back to wherever my document is and paste that graph in, and then I am all ready to go. And so that's what we need to do.